And today we are working on 2020 Toyota Corolla. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna replace the air filter on that engine. Alright, so where's that at? It's easy. You see the engine on the right hand side, you see that box? That's where is it at. So there's a clip, unclip that one, just push it down that tab. There's another one, the metal one, push it down. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna hang on to this intake, just shake it up and down, wiggle side to side. There's attachment in there, push it up, push it down, it'll come up. Okay, now it's out. You see it? It's right there, voila. So you're gonna change that because you don't want your nose to be clogged up. That one's gonna be dirty, filthy as like your ass. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take it out, and then there's a link where you can get this one down below, replace it, that one. So you get the new one in, you're gonna slide it down there, make sure they're all sealed up, okay, before you close up the box. Okay, it looks nice and firm. So I'm gonna close down the box. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work it out. Oh, there's a tab in there. Make sure you shake it up on the hole, and then make sure you close the metal tab. Push it up. Remember, you pushed it down a while ago. Push it up. I'm not trying to force it. You see it went in. And this one, push it up. So easy, right? Easy, greasy, lemon squeezy. Make sure it's secured. All right, that's what it looks like.